everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny, and welcome back to my garden. It is 7:30 in the morning in South Mississippi. It is already 80 degrees. So I thought it would be a good opportunity to come out here and do some planting before we hit our high of the day, which is supposed to be 96. Dear Lord. So, I've got bug spray on because our mosquitoes are very hungry and they feed 24/7. I've got my Benadryl cream just in case I get bit where I didn't spray. Got my gloves and I've got my seeds. Now, these are golden midget watermelons. I'm supposed to plant them after the last frost. Well, I'm not. I'm planting them in July. Same thing with these pumpkins. Now, these only take about 70 days to mature. And they're really cool because you know when to pick them because they start turning this golden color. They're green up until then. So I'm excited about these. And they're personal sized. They're about 3 pounds a piece. These blue Bayou pumpkins take 110 days. Well, I've got 151 days until my first expected frost. So I think I've got plenty of time to do these. If not, I'll plant them earlier next year. So, I got my gloves, got my seeds, got my Benadryl cream. So let's go play in the dirt. So what you're supposed to do with these is make a hill, put 6 or 8 seeds in the hill, and then thin it to 3 to 4 seeds after they come up. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to plant them about 12 inches apart all the way around. Well, maybe not all the way around, but what I'm going to do is plant both of these in this same kiddie pool. Right now, I'm not planting for a harvest. I'm planting to see what they'll do and to see if they'll grow. So, it's basically an experiment. I put a little divot in there, and now I'm going to cover them up. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Now look at these big pumpkin seeds. Stick these here, put them down about an inch. Stick these here, let's see. 2 and 3. And do the same thing over here. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to water them. Now, if you'll notice, I've got a bucket with some rocks in it right there. And it's in the center of the pool. And the reason I have it there is because Granny's short. I'm only about 5'1", maybe 5'1 and a half. And it's very difficult for me to reach to the middle of this pool. So what I decided to do is stick that bucket in there. It's a nursery pot from one of my trees. Has holes all in the bottom of it for drainage. So I put some rocks in it. And now every time I want to go water my watermelons, I'm just going to stick the hose right there in that pot. And it'll water it from the bottom up. The drier that you keep your plants, the more you cut down on the chance of diseases. And this will be a perfect solution for this particular garden bed. Well, y'all, we've got those planted. They should be coming up in 7 to 10 days, maybe sooner because it's so hot. I got this done. It's early morning. Now I can go back in the house and finish out the rest of my day. I hope y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. All right?